Y'all, I'm so happy right now. My job got me a hotel room. I got the last room. I'm so glad I came early. Oh my God, let's see what it's giving. I'm so happy. I'm on the 17th floor. Let's see. God, it's so cute. I don't even know how to open the door. Wait a minute. It's hot as I don't know what. I got my bed to myself. I'm so fucking happy. Excuse my language. I did not mean to curse, but oh, this is nice. What is this? A little couch, sofa bed. I'm gonna throw my jacket over here. Don't mind if I do. Oh my God, look at my bed. Alright. I got a king size bed. What did light say? I can't see. Wait, let me turn the light on. Shh, let me be quiet because it might be somebody. We got a little area with coffee. This my room. I got my own room, so happy. I don't have to share it with nobody. Oh, let me see. Wow. Fancy. Don't look at me. Look at the interior. What? Oh, they outdid themselves. Look at my shower. I wish I had a tub though. Oops. Oh, they cutting up. Okay. Me. I'm losing weight. You see me? I got a little. It's a lowercase p, but it's gonna be a big P. And I feel she fat. Oh, she fat. Let me try. What's this? Oh, this is the bathroom. Yes. Okay, okay. It's like shh. Who the fuck is that? Cause that ain't me. I don't know, but this my room. Oh well. I'm so happy right now. I came to work early because something was like, come to work early. Wait. No, but I came to work early because something was like, come to work early. Go to work early. And she was like, I got the last room. I am so happy, so grateful, and so thankful. So I'm going to be here until the storm blows over. Oh my God. I'm so happy. But anyways, it's very nice in here. This is what it's looking like. Yes, yes. I ain't got to worry about nobody. I don't have to share a room with nobody. She said, oh, we about to start walking everybody to the other hotels. Absolutely not. I want a hotel right here, boo. And this is what I got. I'm so grateful and so thankful to God that I left the house early when I did. And everybody likes this wig. Y'all know this is that wig that I was like, this is so ugly. But I was like, I could put my chef hat on one and cover the top of it and nobody will never know. And everybody has been giving me so many compliments on this hair. So I'm gonna show you guys everything I packed. Well, I really didn't pack too much stuff in my bag. I only packed my uniform, which when I got to work, because I packed the raggediest pair of uniform pants that I had, right? Because I was going to exchange them for new ones. And so I got to work early. And once I got to work, like, the uniform lady was closed. She was gone. She was out of sight, out of mind. So I don't know if I'm going to wear them regular ass pants tomorrow. But we're going to make it do what it do. Because I got on two, let me show y'all what I got on. I got on two layers of clothes. I got on a bodysuit. Hold on, let me show y'all. I got on a bodysuit and I got on some black tights. So I don't know what we're gonna be doing tomorrow, but this is what I got on today. So yeah, see, I have on a bodysuit under here. I don't know what to do, but lowercase p, and that's fine. She's still fat though. But anyways, yeah, I'm in here. I got a king size bed, y'all. So my sale. I'm in here just having fun. Okay. Let me tell mommy. I gotta text mommy and tell him that I got my own room to myself because I'm so happy. But I packed cause I got on these boots. Let me see. Can't see my boots. I got these boots on, so I packed my work shoes, my work pants. I packed another shirt, underwear, toothbrush, lotion, body wash, deodorant, my eyeliner, and my laptop. I brought my laptop with me in case I shot a video. Yes, of course, this video, of course, so I can upload it to the freaking internet and I don't have to take everything downstairs with me. And I got this bag, which this bag is strapped to my body. And I got this because I have to ride public transportation and I didn't want if somebody try to take that bag or whatever off the train, there's nothing really important in there. Like, I could get another laptop, all of that stuff or whatever, but this is on my body. It's attached to me, so it has, I'm not gonna put that out there, but whatever, you know. I got this bag, my crossbody bag. I always try to keep a crossbody bag or a smaller bag with me, so in case somebody snatched something out of my hand, or you know what I'm saying, they snatched my bag off the train or the bus or wherever I am, I don't have to worry about that. So I'm super excited. I'm super happy. All right, I got, what time it is? It's 10:10. I got a couple of minutes before I go downstairs and clock in and get to work. I work 11 to 7, so I'm just gonna relax a little bit, call my man, tell him that I got my room, because he works at he works at the same place I work, but it's not the same company. We both work in the same industry, so he's at a different location than me, and I'm just gonna let him know that I got my own room by myself, and I'm so happy. I did not have to shack up with anybody. I'm so freaking happy and excited about that. So yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm so happy right now. When I tell you, it is so cold outside. Like, I had to leave early. Like, I literally left the house at like 5. I left the house at 5:03, right? I left the house at 5:03. I got downtown at like 5:30 something. I made it here at like 8 something. That is exactly how long it took me. Like I left the house, I left my house at 5:03, and I made it to work at like 8 something, and I got the last room. I am so happy because I knew everybody's gonna be here. When I tell you everybody is at work, I don't understand why everybody is at work right now. I really don't understand why everybody wants to be at work tonight, but everybody's at work. It's not mandatory, it's not a blackout day or whatever, but everybody's just here. And so like my friend who works in a different department was like, oh, as soon as I get there, I'm just gonna check into my room. And I was like, wait a minute, check into your room. But something was like, I should have went to the front desk when I first got here to check in because they got their room immediately as soon as they check in. So my department, they like to procrastinate a little bit. And so I'm just like, he probably didn't get our rooms or whatever. So I just didn't go. So I went up to their room, and their room was nice as shit. But they had to share their room with somebody else. I don't have to share with nobody. I got my king size bed by myself. Y'all don't know how happy I fucking am. Like, for days. So if I need to stay here for a couple of days or whatever, nobody can come in my room with me. Period. I don't care. But no, yeah, that was my coworker or whatever. He was like, "Where you at? Where you at?" I'm in my room, like I'm so happy. But anyways, yeah. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm so happy, y'all. Y'all have no clue. I'm in a comfortable peace. So when I get off work in the morning, I don't have to worry about anything. I don't have to worry about going out there in the snow. I don't have to worry about the power going out and nothing. It's supposed to start snowing at like 1 a.m. We're good. I'm good. Everybody's good. I already prayed to God days ago about this storm. So, all right. Catch you in the next one. Love you. Later.